Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Fluent Forever easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Fluent Forever, start by visiting the official website. Download the appropriate version for your operating system. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. For Windows, double-click the .exe file to start the installation process. Follow the prompts on the installation wizard. Choose your preferred installation directory or use the default. Click Install to begin the installation. For Mac OS, open the downloaded .dmg file. Drag the Fluent Forever icon into your Applications folder. Once the app is in your Applications folder, you can close the .dmg window. Next, open Fluent Forever from. If prompted, allow any necessary permissions for the app to run. The first time you open Fluent Forever, you may need to create an account. Enter your email and create a password to get started. Once logged in, select your target language from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to set your learning preferences. Familiarize yourself with the user interface to navigate the app easily. Start your first session by choosing a lesson or a flashcard set. With everything set up, you're ready to dive into your language learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.